fancy excuse for laziness. Hello, this is one shot to the future. I am a perfectionist. People say this in job interviews like it is a strength. They think it means, I have high standards. Wrong. It actually means, I am terrified of criticism, so I never finish anything. Let's be honest. You haven't launched your project yet, not because you are refining the details, but because you are scared. Perfectionism is just procrastination wearing a tuxedo. It looks fancy, but inside, it is the same old laziness and fear. You can't improve what doesn't exist. Here is a brutal truth. 0 perfect projects are worth less than 1 mediocre project. You are waiting for version 10.0 in your head, while your competitor launches version 1.0 in the market. Sure, their version 1.0 is full of bugs. It's ugly, but they are in the game. You are still on the bench. You cannot steer a parked car. You cannot improve a product that doesn't exist. You have to create a mess first to clean it up later. Waiting for perfection is a guarantee of 0 results. Quantity creates quality. There was a ceramics class experiment. Group A was graded on quality, 1 perfect pot. Group B was graded on quantity, 50 pounds of pots. Who made the most beautiful pot? Surprisingly, it was Group B, quantity. While Group A was overthinking and theorizing about the perfect shape, Group B was busy making pots, making mistakes, and learning from them. By pot number 50, they had mastered the craft. Perfection comes from repetition, not from planning. Stop thinking. Start churning out volume. Kill your ego. Why do you want it to be perfect? Because of your ego. You don't want people to laugh at your imperfect work. Kill that ego. Be willing to be bad. Be willing to look stupid. That vulnerability is the only door to mastery. Done is better than perfect. Launch it ugly. Launch it messy. Just launch it. In the next video, we will talk about why your goals are making you miserable. Goals are for losers. Systems are for winners. Thank you. This was one shot to the future.